Good afternoon, my dear tiny kids. How are you all? Namaste, मेरे नन्हे बच्चों. Oh, you are surprised to see here Hindi, right? Today we are going to learn online bridge course in Hindi. Okay, we are going to study Hindi in online bridge course. Okay. Some basics about Hindi. Are you familiar anything in Hindi? If you know, even you may forgot, right? Because of this long leave and all, right? So today some small things we will learn, okay, in Hindi. Are you all happy to learn Hindi? Okay. First we will see alphabets. What are the alphabets in English? You know the alphabets, right? Huh? English, you know the alphabets A, B, C, D, right? A to Z and all, right? It's like that. In Hindi also, alphabets are there. That is, in Hindi, we will say alphabets as Varnamala. What we will say? Varnamala. You say with me, my dear kids. Varnamala. What is that? Varnamala. Okay, in Hindi, for alphabets, we will say Varnamala. Then Varnamala, under Varnamala, it is divided into two types. Okay. So what are that? In English we will say vowels and consonants. In English what we will say? Vowels and consonants. Right? So that vowels in Hindi we will say swar. What we will say? Swar. What we will say, my dear kids? Swar. Say with me. Swar. For consonants, we will say Vyanjan. For consonants, we will say Vyanjan. For vowels, what we will say? Very good. Swar. Say with me, my dear kids. Swar. And for consonants, what we will say? Vyanjan. Okay. For vowels, what we will say? Swar. For consonants, what we will say? Vyanjan. First we will learn swar. Okay? First we will learn swar. What is the first letter of vowel? See this one. This is what? This is what? Ah. Say with me, my dear kids. Ah. Ah. What is that? Ah. Short. Ah. Okay. Say with me. Ah. Then. Ah. What is this? Ah. What is this? Ah. What is this? Ah. This is ah. So two letter we learned, right? Ah. This is what? Ah. This is ah. Okay, what are the two letters? First two letters? Ah. Ah. Okay, then third one. E. How to write and all we will learn afterwards. Okay, first you learn and identify the letters. This one, this like this it is coming means this is E. What is this? E. Let's say with me. E. So first word what? First letter what? A. A. E. Okay. Once again. A. A. E. So three letters we learned, right? Once again. A. A. E. So three letters we learn. Then fourth one. E. See the up of the line, up line. One up line is there. That so E. What is that? E. So four letters we learned. What are the four letters? A, E, E. Then U. What is this? U. What is this? U. So A, E, E, U. So we learned five letters. What are that? A, E, E, U. Say with me, my dear kids. A, E, U. Say with me. A, E, U. So 5 letters we learned. Very good. Then the 6th letter is oo. The one line is there in the belly of that oo. See, you can see in the center of that oo. Ooh. That line it is becoming means that is oo. So a, e, oo. Learned now. Once again, a, e, oo. So 6 letters we learned. Then see that different word. See on the backward of K and another one line we are keeping like C and all, that is how to write and all I will teach you afterwards. Okay ma? First you identify the letter, this one ir. What is this? Ir. Ir. What is this? Ir. Say with me my dear kids. Ir. What is this? Ir. Once again. Ir. Ir. Okay, once again together we will say first one a, e, ir. 7 letters we learned. How much we are so good, right? We learned 7 letters now. Once again, a, e, ir. Say together, ma. A, e, ir. Once again, a, e, ir. Understood? Now you all knows to say without seeing, right? Say once again. Say without seeing. A, e, ir. Understood? Then what is this one? Ooh. First, see without seeing the order, you should say what is this letter? Ooh. What is this letter? Ah. What is this letter? E. What is this one? Ir. What is this one? A. What is this one? U. What is this one? E. Like this also you should learn. Okay. First, what is this one? U. This one? A. What is this one? E. This one? Ir. This one? E. This one? U. This one? A. Okay. Identifying letters also, it's very important. Okay ma? Okay. Then next, 8th letter A. What is this? A. We learned a, e, ir. Isn't it? 7 letters we learned. This is the 8th one. A. What is this? A. Together say ma. A. I. What is this? I. A after I. This is what? I. O. What is this? O. O. Once again. A. I. O. Once again. A. I. O. A. I. O. Okay. Okay, once again. A, e, ir, a, I, o. 10 letters we learned. Wow. We learned 10 letters. Once again. A, e, ir, a, I, o. Isn't it? This is O. Once again. A, I, O. Okay. Once again. A, I, O. Once again we will say together. A, e, ir, a, I, o. Okay. So we learned 10 letters, right? Once again we will say a, e, Ir, A-I-O. 10 letters over now. Then these 2 lines will come up means see here only one line is there. So O. If 2 line is coming means ow. What is this? Ow. Ow. Then one dot is coming means Say Then this one 2 dot is coming in the side means aha. Say with me. Aha. What is this? Ow. Aha. So how many letters together? 13 letters. So in swar we have 13 letters. Once again. Ow. Aha. Ow. Aha. Ow. Aha. Okay. Once again what we will say with together from beginning. Okay. I, I, U, Ir, A, I, O, Au, Aha. Okay. Say with me. I, I, U, Ir, A, I, O, Au, Aha. Once again. You have to keep your finger like this, okay? And say Ir, A-I-O-Au, aha. Okay? Once again, Ir, A-I-O-Au, aha. Once again, say with me, my dear kids. Then only you can by heart it. Okay. Ir, A-I-O-Au, aha. Can you say to me like this? You have to say these all the letters in your own voice and record it and send it to me. Okay? You have to say to aha. Ir, A-I-O-Au, aha. Like this you should say and record it and send it to me. Okay? Let me see how many of you are sending. Okay? I know everyone are going to send. I know that. My KG kids are very, very cute kids. So they will all will send this. Okay? Take your own time and send it to me. Okay? Then we are going to study on new thing. Okay? Spoken Hindi. You know to speak in Hindi. Have you any word you know to speak in Hindi? No problem. We are going to study some few sentences. Okay, what we are using mostly. First five words, 5 or 6 sentences we will learn today. Okay, if I am teaching more means it will be difficult for you. So what are the common things we are using daily that we will say. So when we are see who is sitting here, you people only, na? See here, one classroom is there. Are you missing your classroom? You are staying in home for 1 year and you are not able to come to school and you are not able to play with your friends. You are not able to see your teachers. We are missing you, okay? We are all missing you so much. We teachers are missing you so much. Okay, we are eagerly waiting to open the school. We all want to see you, my dear kids. So here the students are keeping their hands together. For what they are keeping the hands together and standing? The teacher is coming inside the class. What do you used to say to the teachers? What you will say? Yeah, good morning, or if afternoon means good afternoon, evening means good evening, right? See. So that word having particular Hindi word is there, okay? But then even we are using the common word. For good morning, Shubh Pravad. For good afternoon, Shubh. Like that it is there. For good evening, Shubh Sham. Like that, but it is very difficult for you to say. isn't it? If the teacher is coming, means shuf prafadu ma'am. It's very difficult, isn't it? So for that we are using one common word. When we are coming, when your Hindi teacher is coming inside your class, what you want to say? Namaste. What you want to say? Namaste. Say with me, my dear kids. If good afternoon, good morning, or good evening, any time. If you are seeing your teachers, you should say Namaste. Or not only your teachers. If you are seeing your elders, if you are seeing, like, this is a common salutation. Okay, it's a common salutation. You can use to anyone. Isn't it? For hi, hello, and all we will say na that with the politeness we can say Namaste. What we will say? Namaste. For good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, we will say what in Hindi? Namaste. For teachers, we will say Namaste. Ji. For your friends and all, Namaste. Friend. Like that you can say. Okay. Say with me what you will say. Namaste. When your teacher is entering in your class, you should say to your teachers, Namaste. Ji. What you will say? Namaste. Say with me, my dear kids. Namaste. Okay. When they will go outside from the class, what you will say? When the class is over, they have to go to another class. So they will leave you. So that time what you used to say? Thank you, ma'am, right? What you will say? Thank you, ma'am. So in Hindi, what you will say in Hindi that for that one? Dhanyavad. What you will say? Dhanyavad, Shukriya. Dhanyavad you learn, okay? Dhanyavad. Say with me, my dear kids. It's very little difficult because you have having small tongues now. So it's little difficult for you to learn. Then even try. Okay. Then even try. How to say Dhanyavad. What is that? Dhanyavad. Say with me, my dear kids. Dhanyavad. For good morning, good afternoon, good evening, what we will say? Namaste. What you will say? Namaste. Okay. What you will say? Namaste. Then for thank you, Dhanyavad. Ma'am is not feeling well, so that only sometimes the sound is going. Please excuse me, my dear kids. Okay. So for good afternoon, good morning, and good evening, Namaste. For thank you, what we will say? Dhanyavad. Okay. For what? For thank you, Dhanyavad. Namaste, Dhanyavad. Namaste, Dhanyavad. Namaste for good morning, good afternoon, good afternoon. For thank you, will say Dhanyavad. You learned? Two words you learned. Then your teacher will say you to sit. Isn't it? For what? Bite. For sit, we will say in Hindi, bite. Bite-o, bite-ye. For that also, that we will say afterwards. For sit, what is Hindi word? Bite. Easy word only na? Bite. For sit, you can say to your brother or sister. Sit, you want to say means you can say in Hindi, bite. Bite. You can say to your mommy, bite. You can say to your father, bite. Sit. For sit, we can say bite. Okay. You can say to them for sitting, bite. Today you have to use these five sentences in your home. Okay. For you have to wish your parents namaste. If any guest or anyone is coming and going, means you have to say dhanyavad. Dhanyavad. Thanks for coming. You will say na. So that for that dhanyavad. Then for sit, bite. You can say to your guest also you can say bite. Bite. With respect some other word is there, then even now you are small kids now, you learn this one. For sit we will say bite. What is that? Bite. Please, my dear parents, please make the kids to learn this one. Okay. Then for stand. For stand, you will say to your while you are playing with your colleague, with your with your siblings and all, or with your friends, you will say like with your cousins and all. For stand, you will say ut. Easy word only na. Ut. Ut. Stand. For stand, we will say ut. What you will say? Ut. Ut. For stand, what you will say? Ut. For sit, bite. For sit, you will say bite. For stand, you will say ut. For stand, you will say ut. Okay. For namaste, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, we will say namaste. For thank you, we will say dhanyavad. For thank you, what we will say dhanyavad. For sit, bite. For sit, what you will say bite. For stand, what you will say ut. Okay. Then they will, if any relative or anyone is coming, and if you want to know anything like what is your name, you used to ask your, if you are going to school, you are getting new friends, what you will ask to them first, what is your name, right? तुम्हारा नाम क्या है? What is that Hindi? तुम्हारा नाम क्या है? You ask your today you have to go to your mother and ask तुम्हारा नाम क्या है? What is your name? What you will ask? तुम्हारा नाम क्या है? What is your name? तुम्हारा नाम क्या है? Say with me. तुम्हारा नाम क्या है? What is that? तुम्हारा नाम क्या है? What is your name? You have to ask your father. तुम्हारा नाम क्या है? Your mother. तुम्हारा नाम क्या है? They will know why this girl is, why this boy is asking in Hindi, how he learned. They will be very surprised. Okay, so you have to say, ask your father or mother or your siblings or your friends or your cousins, तुम्हारा नाम क्या है? What you will ask? तुम्हारा नाम क्या है? If anyone is coming and asking you, what you will say? What is your name? They will ask, तुम्हारा नाम क्या है? What you will reply? You know to reply? मेरा नाम. What is your name? मेरा नाम जियोना है, मेरा नाम हेब्रिना है, मेरा नाम फियोना है, मेरा नाम अफ़ान है. Like that you should say. Okay, what is your name? My name is जियोना. मेरा नाम जियोना है. Okay, मेरा नाम फियोना है. मेरा नाम, I don't know your names and all. Okay, you are so new for me. Okay, so please excuse me, my dear kids. So you have to say your name. See, my name is Rahina. Okay, my ma'am's name is Rahina. So I used to say my name is Rahina. In Hindi, how ma'am will say मेरा नाम Rahina है. Okay, in this line you should add your name. Like if here Rahina will come like that. Okay, my name is Rahina है, मेरा नाम Rahina है. Like that it will come. You have to say your name in that field. Okay, मेरा नाम. If anyone is asking what's your name, तुम्हारा नाम क्या है, then what you will say in Hindi? मेरा नाम this one है, मेरा नाम फियोना है, मेरा नाम जियोना है, मेरा नाम हेब्रिना है, मेरा नाम नंदना है. Like that you should say. Okay, ma? Understood? Once again can we learn? For namaste, for good morning, good afternoon and good evening we will say namaste. What you will say? Namaste. Then for thank you, what we will say? Dhanyavad. Say with me. Dhanyavad. Dhanyavad. Then for sit, bite. For sit, what we will say? Bite. Bite. For stand, what you will say? Ut. 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 If you are sleeping, your mother will come and, hey, get up, you will say. That also you can say, ut, stand. Like that we can say now. That one. Then, what is your name? तुम्हारा नाम क्या है? What is your name? तुम्हारा नाम क्या है? Then, my name is, what is your name? You have to, मेरा नाम रहीना है. मेरा नाम रहीना है, मेरा नाम जियोना है, मेरा नाम अफ़ान है, मेरा नाम इब्राहिम है, मेरा नाम like that, something and all. What is your name? You should add there. Okay? Understood, ma? Understood? So two things we learned today, right? What is that? Art to aha we learned. Then spoken Hindi 5 or 6. Namaste, धन्यवाद, उठ, bite, तुम्हारा नाम क्या है? मेरा नाम. 6 sentences we learned. 6 words or sentence like that we learned. So this also, these 2 you should learn. Then the third thing we are going to learn today is, what you are going to learn? Hindi. Numbers. You know numbers in Hindi? You know the numbers in Hindi? Have you all knows? Numbers in Hindi? 1. Ek 1. Say with me. Ek 1. Ek 1. Do 2. Do means 2. Do 2. Teen 3. तीन 3, चार 4, चार 4, पाँच 5, पाँच 5. Once again, एक 1, दो 2, तीन 3, चार 4, पाँच 5. Once again, एक 1, say with me my dear kids, एक 1, दो 2, तीन 3, चार 4, पाँच 5. Once again, एक 1, दो 2, तीन 3, चार 4, पाँच 5. Once again, एक 1, दो 2, तीन 3, पाँच 3, चार 4, पाँच 5. Once again, एक 1, दो 2, तीन 3, चार 4, पाँच 5. Understood? So these are the 3 things we learned today. Atoha we learned, spoken Hindi 5 sentences we learned, numbers 5 till 5 how to say in Hindi, that also we learned. Now are you feeling boring? Yeah, this ma'am is always teaching something, right? So this is the time for our story time. Can I say one story and give? Are you all interested to hear any story? Can we say माँ की प्यारी सीख, mother's lovely lesson? Moral of, see, this mother is telling some moral, teaching some lesson for this boy. What is that? Let us see. चेतन अपनी माँ के साथ एक बहुत अच्छे घर में रहते हैं. If I am reading Hindi, it's difficult for you to hear, isn't it? So this boy's name is Chedan. He is living in a house with his mother. Okay, he is living in a house with his mother. So what is the boy's name? Chedan. Chedan is living with his mother in a house. Chedan is a very good boy. Okay, acha ladka means boy. Ladka means boy. So he is a very good boy, and he is always obeying the parents. Okay, always whatever the mother is telling, that everything he will obey. Okay, like that, he is a very obedient boy. What is the boy's name? Chedan. Chedan is living with his mother in a home. Chedan is a very good boy, and whatever his mother is telling, he will obey that one. Okay. Chedan ko pakwan. He likes to eat snacks. Pakwan means snacks. He like to eat, always like, you also like that only, right? You also like to eat, you don't like rice and all, isn't it? We like to eat snacks only always, right? You are also like that only, Nama? Yeah. So this boy also likes to eat always snacks. So one day what his mother is doing, she is preparing some cookies. Or you feel like that something is coming in your mouth, right? By hearing that cookies. Yeah. So that one day his mother is preparing cookies for him, and she is keeping that in a big jar. She is keeping that in a big jar, and she is going to market. She wants to go to market. Before that, she is preparing some cookies for that Chedan, and she is keeping it in a jar. And before going, what she is doing, she is telling to Chedan that what she is telling? What she is telling? Finish your homework first. You finish your homework first. After that, you can go. You can take the cookies and eat. Okay. First, you finish your homework. Then you can go and eat the snacks. Like that, this his mother is telling and going to market. Then what is happening? He is telling like that and going. Chedan is very happy. Chedan started writing the homeworks fully. He is finishing. He is thinking in his mind that before mommy come, I have to finish the homework, and I'll go and eat the sorry ma, I'll eat the cookies. Like that, he's thinking, and he's finishing all the homeworks very fastly. So because he want to eat the cookies, right? So he is finishing very fastly, and he is taking one stool and going to the He's taking on stool and going to the kitchen and keeping that stool on the kitchen and keep stool near to that table, and he stood up and he's keeping the hand inside the jar and trying to take more cookies from that. Trying to take more cookies from that. But because of the, what is that? Because of this, see the lid of that bottle, it is very small. So, isn't it? So, he is trying to take more. When he is taking the hand is not coming. And he is very sad and crying because he couldn't take his hand outside. He is trying to take the cookies, but he couldn't take the hand outside by seeing that his mother is coming. So he found out that what fault is there. She found out that what fault is there. But what is the fault? Can you find out, Ma? Yeah, this boy is trying to take more cookies from the bottle, isn't it? Because of that lid, he couldn't take because he was taking more. So that mother is coming and telling, Chedan, you take only 1 or 2 cookies from the bottle, then you can take the hand outside. So by he is obeying the father and taking 1 or 2 cookies from that, and he can he can easily take the hand outside. So when he is coming back, he felt so happy that he can take the hand outside. So while he is taking the cookies and coming near to the mother, so that time his mother is asking, from this what you learned? You tell, my dear kids, what you learned from this story. What you learned from this? He couldn't take the hand when he was taking more cookies. When he has taken 1 or 2 cookies, he can take the hand from the bottle, right? So what he learned from that, his mother is asking. So he is telling that, I learned that किसी भी चीज़ का लालच अच्छी बात नहीं है. We should not be greed on anything. Isn't it? We should not like, I will take more then only, because the cookies will be there only, right? The cookies is for him only. Who will come and take it? We should not be greed on anything. Whatever we need, that much only we have to take, isn't it? How much we need, that much only we have to take. How much we need, that much only we should take. So that is so whatever it is, how much we need only we should take. We should not be like more eager, more greed, and we should take more. Then it will not be good. Okay, like that only some food and all. It's why seeing that we will think that we will eat more and we will take more. But we couldn't eat and we will make it as waste. We should not do like that, isn't it? We should not waste like that. So we should take whatever we need only we should do. That is the moral of the story. Have you all happy by hearing the story? Okay, then can we revise what we learned today once again? Okay, first we learned e e u u ear, a I o au aha. Once again, say with me, my dear kids. E e u u ear, a I o au aha. Okay, then we learned 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. Once again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. Isn't it? Then we learned spoken Hindi. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. We will say Namaste. For thank you, what we will say? Dhanyavad. For sit, we will say bite. Stand, we will say ut. Okay, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Namaste. Thank you, Dhanyavad. Sit, bite, stand, ut. Okay, then what is your name? तुम्हारा नाम क्या है? मेरा नाम, और my name is, मेरा नाम रहीना है, और मेरा नाम जियोना है, मेरा नाम फियोना है, मेरा नाम, like that. You should add your name. Okay, then we learned the story, isn't it? We should not be greed on anything like that, isn't it? So that much only we learned today. Whatever we learned, please revise, my dear kids. If you feel boring, you can ask me any doubt. Okay, if you feel boring, you can tell to me. I'll reduce that. I'll reduce in the next video. I'll reduce the timing in the next video because so many days finished now. So if you are not familiar with any Hindi words or anything, so that only ma'am has given this much. Take your own time and learn. Okay, ma? Take your own time and learn. Ma'am will send the worksheet for you. You have to record it. First you have to record it and send. Then you have to see here. First you have to say and record A to aha. Okay, A to aha you should record it and send. Then 1 to 5 we learned now. That also you should record it and learn. Extra worksheet is there means I'll send it. Okay, that will be matching or something only will be there. Okay, so that's all for today. Be happy, my dear kids. Obey your parents. Whatever the parents are telling, obey it, ma. And watch the videos. The teachers are and watch the Zoom class. Other teachers, because of ma'am's health only, I am sending this video to you. I couldn't take class. Okay, this also I will cut everything after in between and all. I am stopping and only taking this video because ma'am's health is not good. Okay, ma. So watch the video fully, ma, and take your own time and learn. Take your own time because you are small kids now. So take your own time and learn, and take your own time and send the worksheet to me. Okay, that's all for today. We will see if God's grace, we will see in the next video. Okay, thank you. Dhanyavad.